When we write code together, we all have different styles, different habits, from semicolons to tabs to indentation, whatever. When we write code as a team, it's important to do it in a uniform way. So instead of changing the habits of writing the code, we can apply a tool like Prettier that simply automatically formats the code to a uniform agreement, to some rules at one point in time. This point in time could be when we commit, when we merge, or could be when we just save a file, which is the setting that I'm going in this video. Let's switch to the code. So Prettier is an extension that you can install in most editors. Like seriously, almost every single decent editor has the extension. In VS Code, it's simply called Prettier. No big deal. I posted here the link to install it. Prettier it's something that you set up with a project-bound configuration file. There are countless rules that you can apply. These are just some and my personal habits, but you can develop this with your team. And last but not least, we need to activate Prettier. So in the settings for Visual Studio Code, in this case, each editor will have its own way. We can simply tell Visual Studio to apply Prettier when we save a file. Well, the result is pretty simple. If I write something like, let's say that I write things without semicolons, the moment I save, Prettier will apply it for me.